In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set a TikTok video from private to public. So step number one is to open up TikTok and then you'll be on your home screen. Then what you want to do is tap on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right hand corner. It says profile, tap on profile, and then you'll be on your profile and it's going to show you all your videos. And to go to all the videos that you have on your profile that are private, what you want to do is tap on this little lock icon, which is right there. And then these are all your private videos. And I'm going to select this one right here to set this one as a public video. So what I need to do is very simple. You just need to tap on those three horizontal dots, which are right over there. That'll bring you up a whole bunch of options. You can save the video, use this effect and things like that, but just scroll down until you find the option of privacy settings, which is right over there. Tap on privacy settings and there it says who can watch this video. Tap on that and then you want to select everyone, which is right at the top. And then that would be how you set it to public. Just exit out of here and then go back. And you can see that video has been removed from the private list. Go to my regular videos and here's the video here as a public video. So that is how you set a TikTok video from private to public. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.